Welcome back to DIYGolfCart.com. Today we're continuing our series working on our 2012 EZGO RXV. We're fixing to install our brand new front cowl. So let's get it and get started.
Do it yourself, go-kart. Do it yourself, go-kart. Do it yourself, go-kart. It's the one-stop shop for installing kart parts.
In today's project we'll be using a cordless drill, a T45 drive, and a T27 drive. First thing we will do is slide the front cowl into place, ensuring that it fits neatly up underneath the dash cover and that the little side tabs fit neatly into place. Next we will put the rocker panel over the front cowl and retighten it. We will do the same thing on the other side. Now for the 4 bolts under the dash. As you can tell, we had another successful day here in the garage. If you need any parts, accessories, look us up, DIYGolfCart.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe.